Hey, how y'all doing out there? It's your girl Courtney. You can call me Kay Carter. I'm just taking a moment before I walk upstairs. In less than 15 minutes, I will be on one of the most important phone calls I've ever been on in my life. And I just wanted to share and to let you know and just reiterate and remind you that it's in you. Everything that you want to achieve in your life, every goal, just everything you want to do in your life is attainable. I must say, starting out 2014 has been fabulous, but in 2013, like towards the end of the year, I just started making these huge steps for myself, and I'm definitely seeing them coming into reality. Every step I've been making in 2014, and I can't wait to share the news with you guys, but I can't share it just yet. And I just wanted to let you know that everything that you want to do in your life, everything that you want to achieve, every goal that you haven't met, that maybe you had to go back to the drawing board and go back to that thing and rewrite it again and just map it on out, man. It's attainable. It's very attainable. Success is truly a process, and it's not the outer that's important. It's the inner. It's in you. It's truly in you. And if you don't take the time to grow into the person that you want to be, because there's somebody that you see in the mirror. I know you see your reflection. I know you see the person that you see now, but it's somebody that you want to be in the future that you're looking at, and you're like, man, maybe you're wondering, how do I get there? It just starts with, maybe you need to pick up a book. Maybe you need to wake up at a certain time. Maybe you just need to do the things that you say you're going to do. Let your words and your actions actually match this time about what you want to achieve in your life. And it's very attainable. It's very, very attainable. And I'm here to let you know on this day, coming home fresh off work, that it is attainable. You can do it. It is in you. As long as you believe that, you are unstoppable, because nobody can stop you but you. Yes, if you have not heard this before, I will say it again. No one can stop you but you. It's so very true. And the more I read and the more I learn and the more I grow and the more things that I want to achieve in my life, and seeing where I've been and where I am right now in this present moment, it was because of me. It was really truly because I was like, you know what? I can do this. Something needs to get paid, all right? I need to work a couple of hours. So it took me to do that. It took me to go on a job, be like, yo, extra hours. It was me. I had to get up and do that. You know what I mean? So you can do it, I wanted to get my passport this year. So I couldn't just go get it. I had to do a couple of things to get there. And I was blessed to have a couple people who believe in me as well. And look, I have my passport. Everything's great. I have so many great things are in store. But the bottom line is, it is in you. Everything that you want to achieve in your life, everything that you want for yourself, nobody can do it but you. Your dream is your dream because you can do it. There's a reason why it's your dream, because you're the one who's supposed to make it happen. You're the one who's supposed to show the world, or show a younger sibling, or show a friend, show someone who's looking up to you. It is your responsibility to live the life of your dreams. And it's yours alone. It's 100% your responsibility to live the life that you want to live. And you know what? You can do it, because it's in you. Now, it's your girl, Kay Carter. I have to go, folks, because this phone call is going to be so epic. I am so excited. But I just wanted to share some love, share some encouragement, share some inspiration, motivate you to continue to keep on doing what you're doing, because success is just a process, and it's important that you know why you're doing what you're doing. So when you do run out of fuel and you feel like giving up, just reflect. What's your why? Write it down. Put things up on the wall, because I definitely do. And it has truly been a blessing in my life. Alright, it's your girl, Kate Carter. I'll holler at you later. I gotta get on this call. Love you, folks. Holler at me. You'll see it below. Instagram, Facebook. Email me. Let me know your why. You know what I mean? I would love to know your why. Why you get up in the morning. Why you do the things that you do. It's been a great day. It is a beautiful day. And I will talk to you guys soon. Goodbye.